How to use audio cleanup on YouTube Create. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Audio cleanup is a feature where you can remove unwanted noise and enhance the quality of your voice within the recording. If you want to do this on the YouTube Create app, first of all, you need to download and install this app on your device. You can head over to Play Store or App Store to get this. Once you have installed YouTube Create, launch the application. Here you will first have to sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you want to create a new project, or if you have existing project, you can open any one of that as well. To add a new project, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now select whichever video it is that you want to edit and tap on the import option. Here you have different tools that you can use on your video. If you have some unwanted background noises in your video and it is disturbing the overall audio quality of your video, then there is a way on how you can remove such unwanted noises. For that, you want to tap on the video in which you want to remove the unwanted sounds. Then swipe until you find the option of audio cleanup. Tap on this option. Once you tap on it, it is going to take some time depending on the size of your video. Then after some time, the audio is going to be cleaned up, which means that all the unwanted background noises has been removed from your video and the quality of your audio has also been enhanced. Now to export this video, tap on the three dots, tap on the export option, then tap on the export option on this pop-up as well. And this is how you can use audio cleanup on YouTube Create. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.